Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. Today we will be unboxing my mom's package from Presles. It came a couple of weeks ago. It says fragile, handle with care. I have been procrastinating on opening it because I wanted to make a proper video. Let me some more. You want to see? I wanted to make a proper video. You know, it's nice to be getting this packages that she ordered before she passed. The only disadvantage is that I need to pay. Oh. And there's still more of this. I've been told by the company that there's still more of her things that will be coming. So it means we'll be unpacking quite a few things. How do I open this? Sure. Can I make it a side plate? Maybe. Yes. It's an envelope. Let's see what's inside. Let's see. Let me put it down so that you see what's here. It's just an invoice, and yeah, I'll get to read that later. And a calendar. Is it a diary? Looks like it's a notebook with a calendar, but it looks really nice. It looks nice. Woo, this is classy. I love it.
You like it?
Love it.
I thought we were going to see the cup.
Okay.
It's the
So this is how you put it, like so.
The date of the week.
It says days of the week, months of the year. I'll be putting it next to my table in my class. Yeah.
Mama.
And there's, what's this? It smells great. Hang this perfume sachet in your linen or clothes, cupboards, and enjoy the scent. This smells great. I hope you see my lighting is not really nice. So I thought I should get this video over and done with because I've been procrastinating for quite some time.
Cups. New cup.
Oh, this is lovely. Those are cups from Presles. There you go. It's 8 pieces. Let's see. I hope nothing broke because we've been taking it up and down. It's a cup. And then we have a saucer. Ooh. Beautiful. Ooh, chocolate. One of them broke.
Yes.
I'm so sad.
What? You just broke it, Mama?
No, I didn't break it, boy. It broke.
By itself?
It broke by itself, my boy. One of it broke because it has been going around. But it's okay. It's fine. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, it's just this. Guys, these people go out of their way, like they try their level best to cushion the packaging so that it doesn't break, but it broke either way. But it's fine. It's fine. Look, I'm having my cappuccino in here.
No, Mama, you're supposed to put your finger out.
Oh, how?
Like, when you're holding it, you hold it and then, no, not two hands, only one hand. Like this.
Sorry, oopsie. How do I do it? Put my finger out like this?
You put,
Oh, like...
yeah, like that.
Oh, thank you, Harry.
Only when you do that.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to click on that subscribe button, the notification bell, all the YouTube things. Do what you gotta do. Bye.